The moment you enter a room, your brain begins a hit job on you. That sudden spike in heart rate, that desperate need to check your phone. It's not nerves, it's your survival instinct malfunctioning. Your brain has tagged a simple social interaction as a life or death threat. It's screaming, perform perfectly, or you are cast out. You aren't just shy, you are currently being hunted by a phantom enemy you created inside your own skull. Stop the lie that everyone is watching you. The spotlight effect isn't a personality quirk, it's an ego-driven delusion. While you're obsessing over your awkward walk or your shaky voice, everyone else is trapped in their own private hell of self-judgment. You are fighting a war against an army of ghosts. You think you're being analyzed, but you're invisible. And that's not a relief. That's the danger. Because if you're invisible, you're paralyzed by a fear that doesn't exist. To break this, you must weaponize your focus. Right now, your radar is pointed inward, constantly scanning your own flaws. That is the fuel for your anxiety. We're inverting it. You are entering the room as a predator, not prey. Don't think. Scan. Why is that guy's posture collapsed? What is the tension in her hands? The second your attention latches onto external data, the internal critic is silenced. You can't focus on your awkwardness if you're busy decoding the room. Here is where most fail. They turn this into an interrogation. What do you do for work? That isn't connection.
That's the interrogation.
That's the interrogation. It makes people defensive. You aren't an interviewer. You're an observer.
You're an observer.
Don't ask. Launch an observation. Tell the book carrier. That book looks like it survived a war. Tell the fast talker. Your brain is running at a higher clock speed than mine. Don't seek a perfect response. Seek a collision. Comfort is boring. Comfort is what keeps you lonely. True confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's the surrender of the performance. You're still going to be awkward. You're still going to miss your mark. The difference? You stop trying to edit the aftermath. The internal replay, the post-conversation analysis of every word you said, is the real thief of your life. Drop the replay. Once you stop trying to manage the image, you stop being the prey. You become the environment. Your reality test starts the moment this video ends. No more improving your skills. Just one move. Pick one detail, a watch, a bag, a twitch, and fire a comment. No questions, no expectations, just a data point. If you're actually ready to kill the anxiety instead of managing it, write active observation in the comments. I want to see who is actually going to do it. Subscribe. We don't do motivation here. We do mental engineering. See you in the field.